Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the syllabus of chemistry for class 12th. As we all know that there are three fragments or three divisions in chemistry, that is organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry. And this proper division is observed in the syllabus of class 12th. As we all know that in class 11th, the portion of physical chemistry was more as compared to organic chemistry or inorganic chemistry. But in class 12th, we observe that all the three portions are given almost equal weightage. If we talk about the chapters of physical chemistry in class 12th, then the chapters are liquid solutions, chemical kinetics, electrochemistry, solid state and surface chemistry. Out of these 5 chapters, 3 chapters are of utmost importance. They are liquid solutions, chemical kinetics and electrochemistry. And moreover, these chapters are based on those fundamental topics that we have already studied in class 11th, that is thermodynamics, chemical equilibrium, mole concept, redox. All those chapters help us to study these chapters in class 12th. So if you need to study these chapters, then you should revise mole concept, redox, chemical equilibrium and especially thermodynamics. In almost every chapter in physical chemistry, we use the concepts of thermodynamics. Hence it is a very important chapter. Now coming on to the syllabus of organic chemistry, we study haloalkanes and haloarenes, followed by oxygen 1, that is alcohol, phenol, ether, oxygen 2, that is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, nitrogen carrying compounds, that is amine and benzene diazonium chloride, followed by polymers, biomolecules and everyday life. The last 3 chapters are very scoring. You get direct questions from polymers, chemistry in everyday life and biomolecules, and the previous 4 chapters, that is haloalkanes, haloarenes, oxygen 1, oxygen 2 and nitrogen carrying compounds are very conceptual. Especially aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, that is oxygen 2 chapter is a very important chapter in organic chemistry. You get lot of questions in boards as well as in competitive examinations from this chapter. Now last, coming on to inorganic chemistry, the first chapter is P block elements. It is a very big chapter. If you check the blueprint of CBSE, this chapter has the maximum score, P block elements, followed by D and F block elements, coordination chemistry and metallurgy. So these are the chapters that you need to study in class 12th. Apart from these chapters, a student should also know the practicals that you do in chemistry. You should know about titrations, salt analysis. The concepts of salt analysis is very important. You get questions from salt analysis in IIT Advanced. The detection of cation and anion that you do in the lab is equally important in theoretical examinations. So remember, whenever you do practical, do it very carefully, very cautiously. Don't just complete your lab book and submit. Do it with proper responsibility. You should know the test of cation as well as of anions. Titration is very important. You have already learned titration in class 11th. The application part of titration is important in practicals, but the theoretical part is equally important. So this is the syllabus of class 12th. Thank you.